Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to join us at the online new product launch of Sustainable Textiles Solutions on Circular Economy, hosted by Taiwan Textiles Federation, the TTF. I'm Guanyin, your MC for today's event. This program is part of our annual TEPP project, commissioned by Taiwan's Bureau of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Economy Affairs, which selects Taiwan's premium textiles company and their innovative products to introduce to international markets. The apparel industry makes an important part of the global economy. However, it also damages the environment excessively. Apparel production makes up 10% of carbon emissions, dries up water sources, and pollutes the land with 85% of all textiles go to the dump each year. Taiwan's textiles industry has strong knowledge and expertise on material innovation, which designs and creates sustainable fabrics using natural and recyclable materials with eco-friendly energy. Over the years, we have become the top choice of many international leading brands in going green. This time, we will be focusing on technologies that the latest concept of circular economy. Circular economy could be from raw material extraction, product design, production and remanufacturing, consumption, and waste management. In today's program, we have 5 companies to share with us their latest sustainable textiles and technologies of circular economy that reduce the burden of our environment. For the first company, we have ACEGREEN. The evolution history of fiber is from natural to synthetic. However, the invention of chemical fiber has created many miracles and enriched the convenience of life. But it also caused a burden to environment. As a developer of environment-friendly fiber producer, ACEGREEN adheres to the attitude of return to nature, combining advanced technology and the environmental protection concepts to develop GreenCell, lyocell filament. This process adopts a non-polluting closed system and keeps the lowest pollution to air, soil, and water. This material retains the characteristic of natural cellulose, and the fabric can be fully biodegraded after being discarded and buried. Let's welcome ACEGREEN.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel from ACEGREEN. ACEGREEN company was established in 2016 and built on the basis of developing eco-friendly material development as primary goal. The production process of GreenCell is a closed-cycle process, and the solvent can be recycled by high-efficiency method. Up to more than 99% of solvents can be recycled and reused. The consumption of water and energy resources are fully utilized to reduce carbon emissions. So what is GreenCell? GreenCell was published after years of research and development. The yarn comes from natural fibers, processing through our unique formulated solution and fiber production. It is zero waste pollution to the environment. The finished fabric of GreenCell provides great user experience consisting of both properties of natural and synthetic fibers, as well as containing high moisture content of cellulose, which brings excellent skin touch and feel. Incorporate the features of silk-like, anti-static, breathability, softness, and cooling. The performance of GreenCell fabric is not inferior to chemical fibers. The fiber strength can be achieved up to 4 grams per denier or even more. The raw material of pulp is certified by Forest Stewardship Council and Canopy, adopted carbon footprint control system from procurement to factory to monitor all carbon emission activity. Meanwhile, the source tracking system also strictly requires supplier to provide the location of the forest where the trees are cut down to ensure that the raw materials are obtained from non-endangered forest land. In comparison to chemical fibers, GreenCell has high content of biocarbon, which enables the final waste to reach decomposition with the efficiency of more than 96% in the soil within half a year. The material can be widely used across the application of home furnishings, apparel, footwear, medical, non-woven, and industrial. Based on the diagram as shown, we can clearly identify that GreenCell is truly environmental friendly. From manufacturing to final waste disposal, our initiative is to build a sustainable planet and minimize environmental damages where possible. Apart from the green manufacturing process, the characteristic of biodegradable of the product has fully demonstrated that it only creates minimal impact to the nature. In the end, the following video tour will take us quickly to understand the aspect of our GreenCell product. Thank you.
Next on the agenda, we have HONMYUE. HONMYUE is a leading nylon manufacturer in Taiwan and keeps devoting to eco-friendly nylon products. Now, with the effort from supplier, manufacturer, consumer, the source and quality of recycled nylon fabric are easy to access and can replace the virgin one. However, until now, as the nylon consumption volume gets more and more annually, what we have to consider is not just how to recycle in the raw material process, but also the possibility to reuse the fabric from finishing product to save useless nylon fabric waste. Together with recycled nylon film from HONMYUE, bring another feasible opportunity to fully recycle it. Let's welcome HONMYUE.
Hello, everyone. I'm Edison from HONMYUE. Here, we are introduce our new product, NüCycle Nylon HT. After COVID-19, more and more people go back to the outdoor activity, which raised the sport market and it brings the demand for outdoor gear fabric. Comparing 2020, the outdoor apparel market increased to 19% and predict to have a CAGR of 7.5% until 2026. Moreover, with the high attention on eco-friendly material from consumer, recycled material has become an inevitable trend. Especially some leading outdoor brands have announced they will entirely use the recycled material on their products, such as recycled polyester and the recycled nylon, to replace the virgin material within few years. However, the recycled material used so far mostly belongs to front part in the circular chain only. Later we will explain more why we said it front part. The character of nylon is durable and great tensile, abrasion which makes widely used on outdoor apparel, backpack, and the accessory. But you definitely know to reach the needed performance, the product request. Complicated finishing is necessary on top or backing. But actually, they are the reason why the recycling the fabric is that difficult. As we can see here, a fabric can separate into two layers, fabric itself and the finishing. The composition of the finishing is usually PU coating, TPU, and TPE. All of them are exactly different composition from fabric, and that makes the fabrics hard to be recycled. Then, they have no choice but go to the landfill as a waste, unfortunately. Yes, you might say we can filter out the fabric which is feasible for the recycle, which is not. But we believe starting at the beginning is the better solution than do it after. According to this, HONMYUE here present you one single composition fabric which has high chance to be recyclable. The fabric we use mostly are treated as waste at the end. But here is the recycle process if with our NüCycle Nylon HT. A very important point for doing the recycling is having pure composition as much as you can, since they will be melting with high temperature together, turning into another usable material at the end of the process. With our NüCycle Nylon membrane, the fabric has been over 98% in nylon. The best thing is the rest 2% other materials can be naturally filtered out during the melting process. Based on this conclusion, fabric and the membrane can be easily recycled at the same time and remake into nylon chips for another product application. Few more details about our NüCycle Nylon HT. Function part, high tenacity, which the yarn is 50% stronger than the regular yarn. And the fabric is also waterproof, lightweight, and breathable. Eco-friendly part, post-industrial nylon, solvent-free lamination, nylon membrane, and able to be recyclable. In past few minutes, you might know but not very well what is the NüCycle Nylon HT. Shortly speaking, it's the fabric we develop and want it to be recyclable, saving more useless nylon fabric waste. NüCycle Nylon HT is designed for sustainability. Our single composition fabric helps to reduce the fabric waste and give them a second life. For sure, we strongly believe the single composition material will become very important in the future. And we expect we can do more effort for this environment together. Thank you for your listening.
For the next company, we have Kingwhale. Is a world without trash possible? Kingwhale is a responsible manufacturer of performance fabric and garment. It's putting itself in a stronger position to recycle discarded resources and convert them into new, reusable textiles, reducing carbon emissions and dependence on the petrochemicals. Kingwhale has a sustainable DNA built in the operation, which reflects into their innovative product development and services, who also has pledged to become carbon neutral by year 2050. Let's take a look at what Kingwhale has to offer.
Hi, my name is Oliver. I'm working as an account manager in Kingwhale. Today, I will bring a quick introduction to Kingwhale Corporation at first. Then, I will share with you what we are doing for circular economy recently. Kingwhale offers comprehensive service with vertical integration from fabric to garment. We can fulfill our customers' needs. We have strong innovation abilities in functional yarns and the fabric located in Taiwan. Our garment manufacturer Phi and the LIBOLON are in multi countries, including Vietnam, Taiwan, and China. We have a new fabric brand, Beyond. It's founded on functional fiber technology, providing ultimate comfort with our eco-friendly fabric collections. such as BeBreathe, BeFlex, BeWarm, and BeShow. 4 series are targeting different markets. Now, I'm going to bring you to meet our new young brand, Revio. Revio Young is made by regenerated material from textile waste. It will play a crucial role in the process of a circular economy. We are working with well-known brands that provide the garment wastes which were collected from the consumers. First, we will sort and mince this garment and textile waste prior to depolymerization and purification. After these 2 processes, color and the containerization will be removed. Then we can proceed the polymerization and make them into chips. After that, we can produce yarn through these chips. This compacted circular system will be the source and the foundation for the Revio yarn. Also, Revio's process is significantly different than the conventional production. Revio's system could reuse all wastes that was generated during the production and re-input them into the cycle, which can't be achieved by the conventional method. The treatment of the waste disposal from conventional process can only go through incineration or landfill, and that will cause acute pollution and more environmental impacts. The study showed that the usage of polyester is still increasing year by year. Revio is able to bring this polyester back into a cycle and make them become a new resource rather than disposable waste. Since the material is not from petroleum, we can efficiently reduce carbon emissions, reuse more wastes, and lighten the load on the landfills at the same time. Revio regenerated from the textile waste and will be a key in the total solution of the circular economy system. Maybe in the near future, it will not be necessary to produce polyester yarn from petroleum anymore. All the materials from this system will reach an ideal balance between wastes and the new textile products. Imagine you have the wardrobe that is already full stuffed. One day, if you buy a new clothes, one of them must be thrown away. And that one you throw away will come back into the cycle, then become somebody else's new clothes.
Next is LIBOLON. LIBOLON is one of the leading textiles manufacturers in Taiwan with broad experience in sustainable products and practices. With their factories production located in Taiwan and Southeast Asia, Indonesia. The manufacturer is going to develop more new sustainable, innovative products, as well as supporting the circular economic principle. Here, we welcome LIBOLON.
Hi everyone, welcome back with us LIBOLON. As one of the leading textile manufacturers in Taiwan textile industry, today we are proudly share to you on how us LIBOLON managing our synthetic sustainable products and creating a sustainable circular economy concept. With our headquarter office and factories location in Taiwan, LIBOLON is one of the integrated manufacturers that capable to produce both woven and knitting fabric as well as the import production for sustainable recycled raw materials and facilities to create fabric outcome. Green energy sources are also being utilized in having green product, green environment, and our goal to reduce CO2 emissions. Moreover, in 2017, we expand our production business site in Indonesia as now we have also become one of the most textile major supplier in Indonesia. In having to create a sustainable circular economy, one have to understand the fundamental of sustainability. The fundamental of 3R, recycle, reduce, and reuse, those are going to bring the wastes, a new life cycle, and new opportunities ahead. First, when we look at all the products that we have, LIBOLON has invested and are experienced in managing recycled products for both polyester and nylon. Starting from our product RePad, generated by post-consumer PET bottles, and polyplast, nylon plast that are generated from industrial wastes of gray and yarn. But without realizing, the demand of quantity itself, especially post-consumer polyester, has unexpectedly rising even up to the year of 2030. The demand not only came from textile industry, but as well as other industry for our daily basis purpose. From here, the guidance and direction has shown us a clear vision. All of our textile designers and engineers will keep striving not only for better products, but to bring no negative impact to the environment with the concept of endless regeneration. The regeneration will bring back the product's new life cycle, such as clothing waste that is no longer valid and achieving sustainable circular economy. The circular loop concept would also help to reduce the global waste issue in terms of textile and clothing. Now, have we ever imagined on how much of textile and clothing waste being thrown into landfill in every second? All of the discarded clothes that were thrown slowly will dominate most of the landfill within a short period of time. Therefore, it is a right action to implement the sustainable fundamental to reuse all of those wastes. Once we see the product has come into the end of its life cycle, LIBOLON is reusing the garment waste, bringing wastes into the next level and reducing our environmental footprint. The garment waste will be recycled through our recycling technology CRZ, a closed-loop recycling zero-waste system. Our CRZ system has been starting to operate recycling either polyester fabric or a garment that contains polyester. The main material will be reproduced into the new yarn raw material and being used in the making of the product that we expect. The cycle will continuously living and achieve the endless regeneration concept. In addition to that, we are now having 3 advanced recycled polyester products. First, recycled PET bottles, second, polyplast, third, recycled fabric that could be from our polyplast or garment through CRZ after it was done conducting the decolorization method. While most of the clothing waste are being resold to other developed countries, LIBOLON are opening the access to settle the issues with our technology term CRZ. Although the majority of textile suppliers handling the wastes in chemical recycling method, LIBOLON has developed the alternative with mechanical recycling method, where it processes through decolorization and demonstrates lower environment impact and assured qualities. Following the comparison of the yarn luster itself, the recycled chips of polyplast through our CRZ recycling has achieved almost the same lightness range as the virgin PES and reprep product. With our experience in managing raw material, LIBOLON always assured that each product quality is under control. Same as the specification type through our CRZ, LIBOLON has developed few ranges from like denier 20, 75, and 150D while comparing to our repat material. Each denier and physical properties, including tensile strength and elongation tested in our in-house laboratory, has shown good results and are within the expected range. This is what will make our CRZ after products are durable, long-lasting, under our raw material management control. Here, LIBOLON has explored decolorization technique on fabric within the entire clothing from top to the bottom wear, as well as fabric with printed artwork, heat transfer print, 2-layer fabric, even more that we will continue to seek all the possible chances onwards. As of the advantages and limitations, LIBOLON CRZ is sustainable and excellent physical properties along with competitive price. However, the most possible garment to be recycled at once now is applicable only for polyester composition and expected to have no coating or lamination post-finish application. Lastly, our manufacturers including CRZ are audited and capable to deliver sustainable certifications. Let's bring these actions on together toward a better sustainable economy and future. Shall you have any questions? Feel free to contact us and I'll see you next time.
Next up, SINGTEX. Founded in 1989, SINGTEX Industry is one of the leading providers of eco-friendly functional textiles in Taiwan, having several patented technologies. SINGTEX offers one-stop service that include the R&D of eco-friendly, innovative yarns and fabric, OEM of moisture-permeable and waterproof fabric, as well as garment design and manufacturing, committed to turning waste into gold. SINGTEX successfully invented the S.Café eco-friendly coffee yarn in 2009, which is made from waste coffee grounds and recycled PET bottle, have the function of odor control. In this conference, SINGTEX will present the latest green product, S.Café Ocean fabric, combining ocean recycled PET bottles with S.Café coffee yarn to make fabrics. On 2022 Earth Day, SINGTEX worked with ACEGREEN, a non-profit organization who invented the machine that can collect rubbish floating on the sea. SINGTEX combined the PET bottles collected by S-Source machine with SINGTEX S.Café patented technology to make S.Café Ocean yarn, giving new value to the waste. Let's welcome SINGTEX.
Hello everyone, this is Tony, coming from SINGTEX. Today, I'm going to tell you something about us and our latest product, S.Café Ocean. SINGTEX was set up in 1989, means sing a lovely textile song. We start from a handmade bedding business, and right now, we provide a full range of integration from polymerization, fabric production, finish, and ready-wear garment. On our topic today, we have a special patent product from everyday coffee. May I ask, have you drink coffee today? According to a survey, there are more than 1 billion coffee drinkers in the world, and 1.6 billion cups of coffee are consumed every day. In Taiwan, about 7 million people drink coffee. They can drink more than 8 billion cups of coffee every day, while also producing 40 tons of coffee ground waste too. However, in a cup of coffee, only 0.2% are actually drunk, and the rest are the waste, causing a burden on the earth. To us, coffee is not just for drinking. With S.Café technology, you can now wear coffee too. S.Café fabric comes from post-consumer use PET bottle and the waste coffee grounds to provide long-lasting function. Why we do this? Because SINGTEX is about sustainability, recognizing what others see as waste and giving it a new life. So by purifying the ocean, we have upgraded our S.Café product. S.Café Ocean is born. Taiwan, land of Formosa, have totally 220 harbors, but 90% of them are not cleaned up. I believe all of us love nature, especially the ocean, where so much life is born. We need to care more about our oceans. According to the statistic, there are 150 million tons of plastic waste already in the ocean. Fortunately, we find Asia Alliance, a team of marine scientists, trying to stop the land-based garbage from flowing into the ocean. They invent a boat that can collect the garbage. So here comes a new idea. Our latest green product combine ocean recycled PET bottle with S.Café coffee yarn to make a more sustainable fabric. We have started working with Asia to recycle plastic waste from the harbor. With success, we hope to join many more to give back to the Mother Nature, land or ocean. We invite you to join us. By doing this, the life cycle of S.Café technology is upgraded and become more meaningful. Ocean plastic is combined with waste coffee grounds to create a sustainable goal. Content features such as auto control, fast drying, cooling touch, and UV protection for even more better comfort. By using S.Café Ocean yarn compared with regular polyester, you can save petroleum, reduce CO2 emission, and water usage. Totally carbon reduction can reach 54%. It is quite amazing, right? Are you ready to make your product greener? Feel free to contact SINGTEX. Let's make the world better. Thanks for listening. Thanks for today. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining in online product launches. To learn more about Taiwan's textiles products, please subscribe and follow our live streaming and rerun on TTF's YouTube channel. For any questions or sample inquiries, please scan the QR code to leave your contact information. We will be in touch with you shortly after the event. I'm Guan Ying. See you next time.